My name is Forensic, Eric JT Forensic, and I'm here to teach you how to draft. Today we're going to talk about isometrics. We're going to do the column base at a scale of 1 to 100 on the metric scale. So you see the finished product here with all the dimensions, and notice the isometric dimensions with the little crosses here to show you the height, 80 and 50. All right, so that's the finished product. So at this moment, I'm going to erase it. Goodbye. So what you want to do is, obviously, with isometrics, or not obviously, but use your 30-60 degree triangle. And the base of the object is 130. Put my ISO plane on. F8 to go straight. 130. F5 to change the crosshairs. 130. F5, and it's 80 tall. F5, 130. F5, 130. Then I can do that. I can copy this line this way, and I can copy this line this way. So what did I just do? I created a box for this object to live inside or to be drafted from. Now, you are going to be doing this by hand, most likely, but you could do it with AutoCAD as well, of course. But you saw how I went off the page, but with AutoCAD, I'm able to move it. If you're sketching by hand, I highly suggest, or drafting by hand, I highly suggest you draw this original cube for the size required on a piece of sketch paper fast. Then move it onto the paper. You'll get to place the object centered on the paper and have a finished product that looks good. Now that we have that, I'm actually gonna put this onto layer project 1. There you go. So we want to locate the top. So let me go to project 2. And what I'm gonna do is draw a line along the top here, and then draw an X to find the middle. After I found the middle, I can go to the side there. So now I found the middle of the top box, top plane, and I need it to be 50 over. So what I can do is go from this point and hit F5 and F8, there you go, and get 25 over, and then hit F5 again to go this way. So what I did was I went from this point over 25. Let me put a dimension on there so you see it. 25. So once I found the center and I hit this line, I went 25 over, and then I projected back along the axis that way. Now, all I need to do is keep on coming around and hitting the points on the X. I'll erase the original so maybe get a clearer view. But I made that box in the middle. Let me clean it up for you. Great. So now I got that box in the middle. At this juncture, I'm going to switch to another color. I'm going to turn this off for now. Go back to my original box. Yes, with AutoCAD, some of these things are a little bit clearer to demonstrate them by hand, but the process is the same. So now what I'm going to do is draw a line from the side, straight up, 12. F5, go this way, 130. Go F5, go this way, 130. So what you want to do is locate these elevations. So from the bottom line, I went up 12 and I created my next plane. Remember, the whole box was 80 tall. So I went to the next level, 12 high. I can, just to make it easier, show you where that level is. Now that I have that level, I could put an X across it to find the middle. Once I found the middle, same process I did just a few minutes ago, I can go find the middle of this. Yes, with AutoCAD, I didn't have to go through all that, but I'm demonstrating if you were doing this by hand. Now let's go over this way, along that axis. What's half of 85? That's right, 42.5. Now I go back this way, this way, this way, and this way. And if I'm right, this box should be 85 by 85. Please be right, please be right. Good job. I'm gonna turn everything back on again. Because guess what? We're about to finish this drawing. All right. I'm gonna go to the object layer. And I'm gonna draw a line around this top. I'm gonna lock these so I don't mistakenly use them. So I drew around that top area. Now drop these down from each one of these points, 18. This point, 18. This point, 18. Then I can come back and connect those dots. I forgot one thing in the middle. I'll go back and do that. But I can go from here to here, to here, to here, to here. Darken these up. I can draw along these lines, darken these up. And then to get the pyramid shape, there it goes. Make sure I hit it on the right spot. There you go. Okay, so I have to get the one in the middle. So what do I have to do? Let me go back to this layer. Let me unlock it. Bring it across. Let me just isolate this purple part for a second. Bring it across, and the box in the middle is 28. So half of 28 is 14. And F5. Same process we did 2 other times. All right, so if I did this right, 28, perfect. There it is, 28. With the outside box being 50, and the overall box being, anybody? That's right, 130. Now that I have that, it's fun to just come back and darken it up. Turn that off, turn this off, turn this off, turn these off. Draw a line straight down, 18. Then along this axis, I'm just gonna go, and then I can clean that up later. You're gonna use an eraser. I'm gonna use the trim command. And there it is. Without the dimensions, there it is. Column base. Please hit subscribe. Please share the videos. And please comment. If there's any videos you'd like me to produce, leave them in the comment page. Thank you.